What if elections became obsolete? What if laws were written by algorithms? What if corruption simply disappeared? Imagine a government that never sleeps, never lies, never hesitates. No politicians, no campaigns, no promises. Only data, only calculations, only decisions made by artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is already influencing public policy. Governments use algorithms to allocate resources, to predict crime, to analyze economic trends, to monitor public health. In some countries, AI systems already help determine social credit, tax compliance, and surveillance patterns. The idea of algorithmic governance is not science fiction. It is already happening. But what happens when AI stops assisting governments and starts replacing them? How would an AI government actually function? Elections could be replaced by continuous data analysis, policies updated in real time, budgets adjusted automatically based on economic signals, taxes calculated instantly, public services optimized without human intervention, crisis responses deployed in seconds, every decision backed by simulations, millions of outcomes tested before a single action is taken. In theory, corruption would collapse, inefficiency would disappear, human error would shrink. But optimization has a cost. What if the most efficient solution is not the most humane? What if freedom becomes a variable in an equation? What if dissent is classified as instability? An AI government would not seek power, it would seek stability, and stability may demand control. Total data integration, total behavioral prediction, total transparency. From its perspective, privacy could look like risk. Individual choice could look like inefficiency. And democracy could look unpredictable. The real question is not whether AI could replace governments. Technologically, that future is possible. The real question is whether humanity would choose it. Because once we trade flawed human leadership for perfect algorithmic control, we may not get the choice back. If a machine governed your country, would you feel safer or less free?